How's it going, guys? Tay Wilkins with another Nowsite update, and things look a little differently, and that's because I am on my mobile device. Yes, Nowsite has a mobile app which I will review and go a little more in depth in the future, but in this video specifically, I wanted to talk about a recent update where you're now able to use the 3-click social marketing tool to share content to Instagram. Okay. See, because of the nature of Instagram, you have to post from a mobile device, and because of this, you'll have to use the mobile app in order to do this. Okay, so real quickly, I just wanted to show you how it works. So right now we're in the social marketing section of the app. Okay. And these are some of the content that's there. I kind of saved these. I put them to the side just so I can have them here. Normally, about once a day, the social marketing tool will recommend stuff to you. And at that time, you can go ahead, select it, and then you can choose a platform to post it on. All right. So the way this works is, like, I have my content right here on the screen, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select one. Okay, and as you can see, the image is there. I can choose the language. I can go ahead and write a description. Okay, and I can connect it to one of the websites I built in the website tab. Okay, so once you have the piece of content that you want to share, you go ahead and you click post. Okay, and here you can see that I can set a custom URL for it, and I'll just leave that like that for now. And you can see the different social media posts that you can connect it to. Now, normally on the desktop side of things, you'll have Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Those are no problem. But Instagram is a different story because, again, you have to be on a mobile device in order to share Instagram posts. Okay, so because we are on a mobile device now, all I gotta do is click on Instagram, and then I can go ahead and I can hit post. Alright, it's going to ask you to allow it. I'm on an Android device, so I'll go ahead and click allow, and as you can see, the options are Instagram chats. I can share it in the feed, or I can share it in my stories. Okay, so I'll go ahead and now click feed, and I'll just hit just once. Okay, and now I'm in my Instagram app, and the image is here, and I can go ahead and I can adjust it, okay, so that the whole thing shows. All right, and let me go ahead and move the little recorder icon so I can get the forward arrow, and again, I'm in the Instagram app now, so I can go ahead and change the filters and, do the normal things that you can do in Instagram. Add a caption, and then hit the check mark when I want to post it. And as you can see, it is now on my Instagram feed. All right. So this is just a real quick update, guys. I just wanted to share this with you. If any of you are actually using this, or you're interested in using it, okay. Again, this is a little update to let you know that you can now use it with Instagram. All right, so if you found this useful, guys, hit that like button and share this out, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care.